Okay, so to get started, over here our timeline is 60 frames per second. So if you want to change it to 30 frames or something else, let me show you how. In the media pool, this is our timeline, 60 frames per second. You can press right click, timelines, and create new timeline. For sake of this tutorial, let's rename it timeline 2. Over here you need to uncheck use project settings and the larger menu appear. In the format we have the resolution and down here we have timeline frame rate. So let's choose 30 and create. This is our new timeline. So let's go in the first one and copy the file. Transfer it in the second and paste it. So let's check if this is 30 frames per second. Navigate to the deliver tab and over here you can see that frame rate are 30. So this video will be exported by 30 frames per second. And that's how easy it is to change a frame rate in DaVinci Resolve. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.